We'd like to extend thanks to our sponsors: Brightwood Architecture Education, Finner and Esler, Klein and Hoffman, Langan, Members First Federal Credit Union, Offit Kermanen, Attorneys at Law, MMP&S, Desmone Architects, University of Pennsylvania, Civil and Environmental Consultants, Inc., Hoppenny Barnes Restoration, Kautter and Kelley Architects, Berks County, Pennsylvania.
So the Halfpenny Barn Restoration in Berks County, Pennsylvania is a real jewel box of historic preservation. This very utilitarian structure was lovingly restored to really what it must have been originally when it opened.
The value of the care the architect took is that you still feel the original building. So many times that's what a reuse or an adaptive reuse misses entirely. The new part looks too new and the old part looks too old. This project gets it right.
The rawness and utilitarian nature of it that's cleaned up in a way that just allows everyone, not just architects, but everyone, to see the value in old construction techniques and ways of putting buildings together that is very visible and very understandable. The architects did a very commendable job here to do that.